Hey everyone, Hayden here from Xclutch, and today we're going to take you through our new twin disc clutch for the Porsche 996 and 997 generation GT2, GT3 and the Cup Car. So we've got two variations of the twin disc clutch. So we've got this one here, which is our twin sprung organic upgrade. This is ideal for really high performance street cars up to 740 foot-pounds of torque. We also offer a rigid ceramic upgrade for those being used for motorsport. That is suitable for up to 1350 foot-pounds of torque. Well suited for guys that are using these cars for tarmac rallying, as well as things like circuit racing, and they're a great replacement for cup cars if you're looking for an alternate to the original style factory clutch. Both of these kits come with everything you require for installation, including our performance hydraulic release bearing. This is a universal style fitment, but we've designed it specifically with this spacer to suit those 911 transmissions. It also comes with a braided clutch line and bleeder line, a steel alignment tool, flywheel bolts, pressure plate bolts, and a performance chromoly flywheel. If you're interested in one of these kits, just head over to xclutchusa.com and follow the prompts through to our inquiries page, or feel free to contact us through any of our social media pages.